Alrighty. Do you guys have a minute? Because I thought we would make some all-purpose cleaner. I usually get a 32-ounce bottle and I write all-purpose on it because I used to do fancy labels before, but I got tired of that and they would always get ruined. So I just take the Sharpie and write it out. So um, I like to make all-purpose cleaner using the Thieves concentrate, which is a Young Living Thieves concentrate. Usually, most applications, it's a 30-to-1 ratio, so 32 ounces of water to 1 ounce of cleaner. Although I like to make it my all-purpose cleaner just a little stronger. So my little cute little. It's always a good idea to have a funnel. And before we do this, because this is literally going to take less than a minute, you might be asking yourself, why would I bother making an all-purpose cleaner for myself? So the average household contains about 62 toxic chemicals. And when those are absorbed into your skin, they go straight to your organs, which is bad for all kinds of things, especially endocrine, like women's trying to get pregnant. If women are trying to get pregnant, that can be a factor if you're using a lot of chemicals. Not that I'm a doctor, I don't know, but it is known that chemicals affect the endocrine system, among other things, as well as like asthma and allergies and breathing problems, so many things. They also reduce sperm count, so that's also not working really good. Can cause dizziness. They have carcinogens. They irritate your skin. They can actually burn your skin if you've ever breathed in bleach and that kind of thing. It actually really affects your lungs and can cause a lot of permanent damage, actually. So you just need to be aware of what you're putting in and around your body. We've only got this one body, so we don't need to be putting unnecessary chemicals in our bodies. And actually, in this past year with COVID and everything, there's been a 20% jump in calls to poison control centers, especially about children's exposure to cleaners and disinfectants. So we want to keep everybody healthy and safe. And number one complaint I get about all-purpose doing my Thieves cleaner is like, oh, it's expensive. Well, this little bottle will make about 15 of these for about 88 cents. So what? Oh, and this is literally going to take less than a minute to mix this together. And think of it, if you had one bottle of Thieves, and all you had to do was run to or if you wanted to go to the grocery store and go pick something up, that whole trip is going to take you a lot longer than a minute. And then you're probably going to buy stuff. That's what I usually do, buy other things that catch your eye. So those are many reasons that we need some good cleaning stuff in our lives. And like I said, and one other thing, if you look on the back of your, say, 409 or anything like that, there's not an ingredients label. I'm sure you probably haven't even ever noticed that. You have to go dig through the company's website and find the ingredients. And then there's things like unpronounceable things, triclosan, phthalates, perquats, I can't even pronounce that one, ammonia, chlorine, you've heard of that, sodium hydroxide, which is lye, and bleach. So yeah, all those things, they cause bad things. I suggest that you go to the EPA's website and look at the ratings of your different ingredients once you find them. Let's just get started. 1 minute. You can time me. All right. I use, in this 32 ounces, I use 2 tablespoons, give or take. Doesn't have to be precise, of the Thieves cleaner. And you just pour it right in there. And then you can use the tablespoon, and actually the cap is a tablespoon. So you could do 2 capfuls of that or 2 tablespoons, same thing. And then I just like to add about 5 drops of the actual Thieves blend. 4, 5. And then 5 drops of the lemon. And you don't have to add this. You can just use the Thieves cleaner, but I kind of like this. Lemon helps polish things, make them look shiny, make things look shiny. And Thieves just more immune boosting and germ killing. And we're done. You just add water. Boom. When you add the water, it's going to foam up. You just have to let it die down a little bit, but you're done with your cleaner. So if you want more recipes like this, I have a lot of home cleaning recipes that are all based on this Thieves product that I love. It's plant-based. It is easy to use. You don't have to wear gloves. It's not as expensive as it seems. It's actually less expensive. You'll save money by making your own cleaner. And that's pretty much it, except if you want more information, head to my website. It's called essentialones.com and check out the Thieves line.